Welcome to Adventures in TV Land! Today is Thursday, February the 3rd, 2022. And I just want to show you kind of what's going on here in my part of the world right now. Looky. We're in the midst of a major snowstorm. It started actually yesterday, or actually the day before yesterday. There was lots of ice. Well, it wasn't ice, it was rain that turned into freezing rain and sleet, and then a little bit of snow. But we're getting more snow right now. Actually, more snow today than we had yesterday. And it's just, it keeps coming and coming. Now, I know there are some of you out there who enjoy winter weather. I am not one of those people. I do not like winter. I do not like cold. I do not like the snow. Now, the snow is okay to go out and play in when you can play in it, but I haven't been able to play in the snow. I'm not able to do that. Today, I tried to go to work because I was supposed to work today. And guess what? I got stuck in a road. Not off the road. I got stuck in the road. Yes. So, there you go. Because the snow plows around here, and I guess even the ice trucks right now, they've given up for the time being. Because as soon as you plow through it and wipe the snow off the road, 10 minutes later, there's more snow there. For instance, there's my vehicle, my car, and you can't even tell that I had gotten out this morning. It's all been covered in snow again, and it just keeps snowing and snowing. So, for those of you who enjoy the winter weather, enjoy the snow, I hope you enjoy this video. This major snowstorm here in southern Illinois of 2022. Until next time, that's a wrap.